Poor connection, but okay, ma'am, you can hear my voice, right?
I can see you now.
Okay, first of all, I would like to ask you that how are you?
I'm fine. Yesterday I went to at my district place. Collector has organized a kind of workshop there for
Okay.
writing the module for teacher training. So I was invited there, and at a very short notice we have to go there. So all the
Yeah,
plans
you
were
said
cancelled.
yeah, you said that you will go. You will not
Hmm.
be at home. Yeah, you said.
Yes. So have you downloaded that video? Was it possible to download?
Yeah, ma'am, I have downloaded and I have uploaded it in my channel.
Oh, that's
And
great.
yeah, and maybe our video got 100 plus views. But I'm
Oh,
not able to grow my channel. I'm not able to grow my channel because I have not so many subscribers and viewers.
it
So,
will happen
ac-
gradually, not in one day. Yeah, it will happen. At least you have to give 2, 3 months, and that too very consistently.
yeah, of course, we have to upload videos regularly on a daily basis.
Yes, yes. So how are you? How was the day?
Today, I was free all day and I had tuitions, 2 tuitions only, and nothing much.
Oh,
So I did not do anything special. So I was just before you, I was talking to somebody else.
acha.
Maybe she was from Delhi. Yeah, she was from Delhi.
And what
So
was
we
the
were
name?
discussing. Yeah, her name is Silpa.
Shilpa.
Yeah.
So,
So we were discussing about village life versus city life.
okay.
Ma'am, you gave me an activity that day, but because of network
Huh.
issue, I could not hear your voice properly. Your voice was breaking. So,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, can you introduce me that activity again for today?
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. First of all, I will give you some words. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you have to describe that word in either in 1 line or 2 line, or if you want, you can say it more on it. If you have thoughts in your mind for that, this
Mm-hmm.
practice, it will give you the chance, and it promotes the logical thinking inside your mind, and whatever thoughts we are having, how we are arranging them. Not that speaking 1 line from one
Okay.
corner, then from other. Miss,
Mm-hmm.
the thoughts must be organized when we are talking. So I'm going to give you some words, and you can also give me. It will be vice
Mm-hmm.
versa. Not only you
Mm-hmm.
have to speak, I can also
Yeah,
try.
yeah,
So
of
first
course.
one,
Mhm.
the word is smile.
What is? What was that word?
Smile. SMIL.
Smile.
Smile.
So
Smile.
I have to, okay, so I
Smile.
have to make a
Hmm.
story. Yeah, smile. So I have to make a story by using this word, right? I have to make a story.
Okay.
Story or is it sentence making game or story making game?
No, no. Anything. You have to just describe this word as long as you
Okay.
can describe it within 2, 3 sentences, or importance of smile and what happens in the absence of smile, like that. Just a
Mhm.
minute. I will
Okay.
just put off this cooler because I can't hear you.
Okay. Okay.
I will put off my cooler. Okay.
Mm.
This is the problem in summer season. If you put on the fan or cooler, their voice will be there. Yes. So
Yeah.
my word is smile. Mhm.
Smile. Okay. You said that I have to tell what happens in the absence of smile. What happens in the
No,
absence of
no.
smile
Yeah, yeah.
and
Importance of
what is
smile.
the importance of smile? Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Smile plays a vital role in our life.
Yes.
When you have a big smile on your face, then you look extremely beautiful, more
Yes.
than earlier. and
Mm-hmm.
um, and people who don't have smile, like who are not used to smiling all the time, they look very serious. Like
Hmm.
they look very angry as person. So
Yes.
smile is a good thing, and it will increase the beauty in our face, as I already mentioned. So I'm not able to tell nothing much about smile. That's it.
Okay. When I was in class fifth, my teacher,
Hmm.
Arthur madam, she was my class teacher, and she daily comes with one,
Mhm.
you can say, idiom or proverb, just to motivate us. So once she told us
Okay.
about smile, and she said, "Smile a while, and while you smile, another person is also smiling, and the smile will spread
Yeah,
to
that
miles and miles, and the smile will spread to
really.
miles and miles, and it will affect each and every person around you, not only the smiler, the person who smiles, but also the people, those who are around us, they are also become cheer up. And it also not only mentally, but it also physically helps us to lower down our blood pressure, to boost up our immune system, and it is also a natural painkiller. When you smile, your body pain will automatically just go off. The pain is released. And if we talk more
Okay.
about it, it is a mood booster also. So if you are having a bad
Mhm.
day, or if you are having,
Mhm.
if you are sad, then, and if you smile, then it will trigger one hormone that is called endorphin, and that hormone will make you smile and reduce your stress level. So it is very much important. We should never underestimate the power of smile, and it also make you a likable person and approachable person in the society. So if you consider yourself very
Your
lucky.
voice is breaking sometimes. Your voice was breaking sometimes.
Yes, yes. Again,
I
that
was
network problem is there.
Yeah, actually, I was not able to hear you properly. Your voice was breaking sometimes. But you said a very nice sentence that is, miles,
Your
it will
video is
spread
also
miles after
becoming
miles.
still sometimes. It is written here. It is written here. Poor connection. Switch to audio only.
Poor connection. Poor connection. Okay, they are
What
suggesting
can
us
we
to
do?
shift audio. Yeah, we can do nothing, but
Hmm.
we can edit the video.
Rarely we find time for such things. Yes, yes. But when the network is good, then automatically I think each and everything will become visible and clear. And
Yeah.
there will be a good network, and when you will download it, it will become good.
Hmm. Especially in the afternoon time, I face network issue. In the morning, it's good. And nowadays,
Have you
maybe
visited my
Geo
channel?
network. Yes, I have visited, and from there, I found you.
Your voice is breaking.
Not only
Okay,
I have
okay.
visited your channel, but also I have subscribed to your channel.
Oh, but when I press that link which you send me on Skype, so only one video
Mhm.
is visible. Your only one video is visible at that time. I couldn't go to the channel. Once
Okay,
again, I
I
will
don't know
try,
why.
and I will also subscribe your channel. How many subscribers you are having?
133, only 133.
Less.
Yesterday it was 132, and today
Okay, okay.
it became 133. Only
Day by
130,
day, it
maybe.
will grow.
Yeah,
Don't
day by
worry, it
day.
will grow.
It's
So
like
the
little
next,
little drops. It's like little drops will make ocean.
yes, yes, and we should never lose hope. You know,
Yeah,
because
we should never.
the whole world is it is based on hopes only. So let us hope
Mm.
good. Okay. So the next word I am giving you, uh, book.
Book. Okay. Nice. Actually, nice. We can say a lot of things about books. So,
Mhm.
books are the necessary things. Books are the necessary things in our life. And we can say that we worship books as Ma Saraswati. I think the goddess
Yes,
Saraswati. We worship
yes.
books as Ma Saraswati. And whenever we read books, we feel like that just we are devoting Ma Saraswati, we are worshipping Ma Saraswati. So we have to read books every day to increase our knowledge, because books are the ultimate source of knowledge. And
Mhm.
books are the kind of things like we can increase our knowledge as well as we can increase our personality by reading books. And there are a lot of books are there which are very much motivational, and philosophical books are there. We can increase our philosophy, we can change the world after reading books.
Mm.
So that's it.
Very good. Very well spoke on books. So, books are our good friends. They are our best friends. Okay. So, we
Mhm.
can
Books are our
enrich
best
our
friend.
vocabulary. We can enrich our reading
Yeah,
skill. We
yeah.
can
So
enrich our
because,
vocabulary.
yeah.
Okay. And
Mm.
we
Suppose
can just,
if you stay alone, if you if you stay alone now, if you stay alone and if you don't have mobile, then book is the best option to spend time with, right?
yes. So,
So we can spend
have you
time
heard about one
time
story? There were
with
two friends. Uh, I will tell you one story
book.
based on the importance of books. There were two friends. And
Mm-hmm.
one friend says that we can live alone for 1 year if we are having books around us, just something to eat. And if I am there with a room full of books, I can live
Mm-hmm.
for without contacting anybody, without talking to anybody, and all that. And one friend says that no, this is not possible. So let us bet for it. And 1,000 rupees, they have bet 1,000 rupees for on this statement. And then they decided that I will meet you after 1 year. Now I'm going to explore the world, and I will connect different peoples. And you stay here in a room which is uh, closed, it is packed. And there were lots of some alcohol were there, cake and pastries were there, and you can just order your food. And he has filled that room with lots of books, all kinds of books.
Mm-hmm.
And the man, he has, as per the bet, he started reading those books, and he was traveling, and his friend was traveling abroad. When after 1 year they met, then
Then.
they talk about the wisdom they have collected. So he was
Mm-hmm.
become very wise, intelligent person, and something very much different. And he says that I don't need your 1,000 rupees also, because I have enlightened myself reading such books.
Yeah.
Now I have understood what life is. So now no need of
Mm.
your company also, and I can live alone. And now I will continue to live with these books. So this is the story we were having when I think in class ninth or 10th. So this was the story there, and this describes the importance of books. So
Yeah.
yes,
And
now move on.
one more word
No,
is there. We can. Yeah. One more word is there. That is knowledge. We can talk about
knowledge.
knowledge as well. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So you are giving me this word, knowledge. So first of all, I would like to say that knowledge is power, because
Mm.
until and unless if you are not having knowledge, or if you are ignorant of the knowledge, or if you are unaware of the things, then uh, each one of you can make fool of you. So I tell to my students also that not for only for job purpose, but just
Mhm.
to live your life easily, so that nobody can make fool of you. So you have to have knowledge with you. Then you can conquer the world if you are having the knowledge. And on the basis of knowledge,
Yeah.
we can change the world if we are having knowledge. So knowledge
Yeah.
is very powerful.
Yeah.
Now we
We.
will. I will say one sentence. Okay, I will say
Mhm.
one sentence, and then
Ma'am,
out
ma'am,
of that
ma'am,
sentence.
ma'am, ma'am,
Mhm,
one more thing I would like to talk about knowledge. One more thing,
mhm.
just one sentence.
Yes,
That is
just add it.
that is that is nothing is permanent in the world. Everything will change.
Yes.
One day we are rich. Next day maybe we will not be rich. But what is
Mhm.
permanent? Knowledge is permanent.
Knowledge permanent.
Knowledge is something that nobody can steal it. Nobody can burn it. Nobody can bury it. So knowledge
Yes,
is
yes.
permanent.